boys and girls. My name is Betsy and I'm from Start Right Playhouse. Today, I want to do a read aloud together with you. And maybe if you like this video, I will do more videos. Alright, today I'm going to tell you a story. And this is one of my favorite stories. We're going on a bear hunt. I know some of you know this story, but I would like to share with you my personal favorite. Look at this beautiful ocean and the cave. We're going on a bear hunt. Retold by Michael Wilson, illustrated by Helen Oxenberry. Are you ready? We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Grass. Long, wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Uh-oh. We've got to go through it. What's the sound when you go through a long grass? Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. What's next? We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A river. A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We've got to go through it. Can we go through the river together? Splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. All nice and wet. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Mud. Ugh. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no. We've got to go through it. What's the sound when you step on mud? Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Ugh, thick, oozy mud. And dirty shoes. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a forest. A big, dark forest. A forest is a place where there are many trees. Many big, tall trees. We can't go over it. We can't go under the tree. Oh no! We've got to go through it. Are you ready to go through it with me? Look at that. Big, tall trees. Stumble, trip. Stumble, trip. Stumble, trip. Tripping because of the long roots, huh? What's next? We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We've got to go through the snowstorm. Are you ready? What sound would that make? Hoo, 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 hoo. Snowstorm. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Not scared. Uh-oh. A cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Are you ready? Tip-toe, tip-toe, tip-toe. What's that? Uh-oh, what's that? One shiny wet nose, one big furry ears, two big googly eyes. It's a bear! What do you do when you see a bear? Run! Quick! Back through the cave! Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe! Back through the snowstorm! Hoo, 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 hoo! Back through the forest! Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip! Oh, bear is behind! Back through the mud! Squelch, 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 squelch! Back through the river! Splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh! Back through the grass! Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy! Bear is behind. Look! The bear is near us. Let's go. Let's run. Get to the house. Get to our front door. Uh-oh. Open the door and run up the stairs. Oh no! We forgot to shut the door. We forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs. Shut the door. Shut the door. Run back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Oh no, the bear is outside our house. Into the bed. Under the covers. Hide, hide, hide under the covers. We're not going to the bear hunt again. Were you scared? The end. What do you think of the story? Do you like the story? Would you go on a bear hunt? I would go up for a bear hunt, but I think I run really, really fast when I see one because I don't want it to eat me. Anyway, you know what's strange? When I came here today, I thought I saw a bear. I saw a big brown bear, but I don't know where it went, and I can't seem to find it. You know what? I'm feeling a bit scared. But maybe you can go on a bear hunt with me later? What? Should I check under my table? I think it's under my table. Let me check under my table. I don't seem to see it under my table. I don't know where it went. Maybe you can tell me. Anyway, if you like this story, click like so that I know when to do a story again. Okay? And why not go for a bear hunt at home too? You can take a video at home of you and your family going for a bear hunt. It will be really, really fun. So what you can do, maybe you can take photos and videos of you and your family going for a bear hunt. I think it's going to be fun. Would you like that? Anyway, I'll see you next time. If you like this story and you like more stories, just let me know and I'll do one again. Till then, see you. Bye.